Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are going to talk about something very important in the crypto space. Many people have been participating in airdrops for a long time, hoping to make money. But recently, many airdrops seem to be failing or not paying as expected. So the question is, what is the way forward? Should we continue relying on airdrops, or are there better ways to make money online today?
Yes, as we all drawful as they used to be, that means we cannot depend on airdrops alone anymore. We need to start exploring other opportunities. One of the biggest opportunities right now is artificial intelligence, AI. AI is trending worldwide, and many people are already using it to make money online.
In this channel, we will share free AI tools that you can use to create realistic images, talking avatars, and engaging content.
So instead of wasting this year waiting for uncertain airdrops, it's time to learn new skills and start earning smarter.
If this interests you and you want to learn about these free AI tools, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for more AI videos.
In the heart of eastern Nigeria, hidden behind thick forests and dusty red roads, but one boy would soon challenge everything they believed. His name was Chinedu,
A quiet boy.
but different from the others.
Chinedu, are you coming to the shrine tomorrow?
No. Everyone must go, but God text about to God and Matavi.
And with those words, the boy unknowingly awakened something powerful. Deep inside the forest, a place where the elders spoke to the God of their ancestors.
The God Allah says, on that night,
The God heard his name.
Chinedu, tomorrow you will go to the shrine. Every son of this family must bow before Allah Ogo.
My son, please listen to your father.
So in this channel, I'll be teaching you free AI tools you can use to generate your video, be it Africa Photo videos, any form of video using free tools only, absolutely free. The first app that we are going to use is ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, go to your Play Store and download it. Once you download your ChatGPT, this is the prompt I'm using for this storyline. I will ask ChatGPT to generate a story for me. An African boy refused to worship or obey the gods of his father, of his forefather. The gods has chosen that boy, but the boy has rejected the offer. He said that he cannot worship the gods of his forefather. So this is my storyline, and ChatGPT has generated it for me. I asked ChatGPT to give it to generate it scene by scene, to up to 4 scenes, and ChatGPT have given me the storyline. I said a Nigerian guy who refused to worship his forefather's idol, and for that the gods are after his life. That is my storyline. So immediately ChatGPT has given me the prompt. You can as well use ChatGPT to generate your image prompt. The one ChatGPT generated for me, I don't really like it, so I'm going to use another app to generate the image prompt. So after ChatGPT had generated the image in the prompt for me, I now ask ChatGPT to give me a dialogue script for these storylines from scene 1 to scene 2. So ChatGPT has given me the scene 1, the village of Umokoro, that is the village of the boy. The dialogue script is here, and this is the AI prompt. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy the AI video prompt. Because I have not generated the images I'm going to use for this story, so I'm going to copy the AI prompt. I'm going to copy from here. Then I will now go to Whisk AI. If you don't have Whisk AI, go to your Play Store and download it, or you can use the Chrome to get it. Just search for Whisk. See it here, Whisk AI. You search. Now this particular first one, you click on this first one, you tap on it. So it's absolutely free. You can use it. Very, very free. So once you click it, you can now see enter tools. Tap on this enter tools. So once you come to your Whisk AI, you can see this add images. We don't have images now, so we want to generate the image. You can see subject. You click on subject here. Now I have 4 images to generate. I'm going to tap on this plus sign to make sure that this subject is up to 4. Now I'll tap on it like this. It will be 4 in number. Can you see? I'll add another one because I have 4 images to generate. So what I'm going to do is just to edit. Now add the prompt that you copied. You can now see generate. So let's wait for it to generate the image. So this is the image. Wow, beautiful. I love this. This is the image. We are going to go back to, you download it here. Look at where you can download it. See it here. This download icon, you tap on it, you will download it. Now, we are going back to ChatGPT to copy the next image prompt for Sim 2. Now we are going, see the image prompt for Sim 2. I'm going to copy it again. Copied. Now we go back, we paste it here, then you generate again, you generate. This is the village boy, then you download. You do the same thing for the image prompt for the scene 3. So I'll come here and I'll paste it, then I'll generate the image. Now the last prompt, the last image prompt for scene 4, I will do the same thing. Copy, I'll go and do the same thing, then I'll paste it, generate. Now that I have generated my image, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click this, and all of them, you can see that all of them are ticked. Make sure you download it. You know your image scene by scene, make sure you download it. So the next thing is to click on this cancel so that we can cancel it. Now once you cancel, you can now see that I have the 4 images here. So I'm going to start by going back to copy the scene for each. So after generating the prompt, the image prompt, the next thing to do is just to move over to Grok. You can decide to download Grok, or you decide to use your Chrome as well. So let's go back. I'm going to use Chrome. You just search for grok.com. Once you search for grok.com, you search it. This is absolutely free. No paid version, is free. You have to cancel this. Now you click on these 3 lines. You are going to see imagine. Tap on this imagine. Make sure that you put it, this is, if you look down here, you can see image. This is for image and this is for video. We are going to use the video version. So what we are going to do here, you upload your image. You can see upload here. Tap on this upload. You are going to select your first image, which is this one. I'm going to click on it to select. Once you select, you open it. Now you are going to select your dialog prompt. Now this is our dialog prompt for the image prompt 1. This is our dialog. So you are not going to copy the whole thing there so that it will not be breaking. You will copy it small so that your video will make sense. It will not be flipping over. So once you come back here, you now paste the thing you copied. You search for it. So you are going to wait for it. Just wait. It's generating the video. So give it time. Do not be in a rush when doing this. Always do it when you are calm. Do not rush so that you get the best. So that your video will be in a good state, will be systematic. It will not be breaking. It will make a lot of sense. So do not be in a, after all, it doesn't waste time. Can you see?
Behind thick forests and dusty red roads. In the heart of eastern Nigeria, hidden behind thick forests and dusty red roads.
So now what we are going to do is, instead of leaving this, we are going to, grok.com has made it easy that you can generate more than 12 seconds video instead of 6 seconds. So what you are going to do is to click on these 3 lines here. Once you tap on these 3 lines, you can see extend video. You can see extend video. So you tap on this extend video. So we have not downloaded it. So what we are going to do is to go back and copy the remaining. I stopped at the narrator. Sorry. You copy the remaining one here, which is this one. This is the remaining one. So I'll come back here and paste it. I want to extend the video. So Grok has made things easy for us. Now you upload it. Just give it time. Wow.
In the heart of eastern Nigeria,
Nice.
hidden behind thick forests and dusty red roads. For their prosperity, their protection, and their future came from one powerful God. In the heart of
Can
eastern
you see
Nigeria,
that?
hidden behind thick forests and dusty red roads. For their prosperity, their protection, and their future came from one powerful God.
So this is what you do to generate your dialogue script so that your video can actually make sense. You go back, you copy the same thing for the scene 2, you copy it one after the other, you copy it, you come back to Grok. Once you come back to Grok, you click on this image. So once you come back, you upload the image for that scene. You know the image, the second image, which is the Chinedu. You upload it, then you paste the dialogue, then you allow it. Just give it time. So once you are done, the next thing now to do is to go to your editing app, be it CapCut, any editing app, but I'm going to use VLLO. Once you tap on it and click on new project, so I'm going to bring those videos here. So these are the videos. I'm going to bring them one after the other. These are the videos. I'm going to bring them one after the other. I'll create the video. I will merge all of them. So let's play it and see what it looks like.
But one boy would soon challenge everything they believe. His name was Chinedu.
Quiet boy.
But different from the others.
Chinedu, are you coming to the shrine tomorrow?
No, deep inside the forest, a place where the elders spoke to the god of their ancestors.
The God Allah says, upon that night,
The god heard his name.
Chinedu, tomorrow you will go to the shrine. Every son of this family must bow before Allah.
Can you see that? So this is how you measure your video and export it. Very, very simple. So that is it. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.